Welcome guys, this is Blue Prosperity, and in today's video I'll be focusing on USD-CHF. This is the trade that we just took a couple of seconds ago, a couple of minutes ago. So this is the trade, and I'm going to walk you through it, into what we did with this trade and what are we expecting with the overall move. So I did a bit of analysis. I did the chart markup. I marked the chart. So basically I'm expecting the market to become bullish, and this is, let's check today's date, is around the 24th of February, and I'm expecting USD-CHF to be bullish because I've seen. So as usual, we start from the low or to the high. So we could see this trend was bullish. It did its first level, 1, 2, 3, 4, fourth level. Then it decided to be bearish a bit and went for a pullback. This is more likely a H4 pullback or a daily pullback, but I think it's an H4 pullback. So this is currently what that H1, those H1 levels represents on the H4. This one level on the H4, but at the same time you could see that market structure was broken on the H4. This was the last level on the H4 of the bearish move, of this bearish move. So on this last level, when the market became bullish, the H4 level was broken, then it got retested. So with that idea, we went bullish on it based off the H1 levels and what they represent and what they might do. And we screen it down a bit. We go down to the smaller time frame. This is what I'm basically judging it based on the H1 time, the 15-minute time frame, where I could see that okay, price is more or less, it's more or less going up. Right now it's on, I think it did its 1, 2, third level all the way to the fourth. So I can see this is it's more likely a pullback, but at the same time I'm very wary of this candle. This is an indecisive candle. The market is not yet ready to go up, but honestly there's about 1 minute left before the new candle comes. So I don't know if I'm hoping it will close above this, above the opening price of this bearish move. So it didn't close above. As you can see, it just closed slightly above, but it's still going down overall. So but I am expecting it to go down, to go up. I mean, as I see this as nothing but a pullback, so I'm not really gonna be focusing on that much, but I saw that. So that's it from the AM, M30 and M15. So let's go to the bigger time frames, which is the daily chart. But I can see that price did a lot of retesting. It retested this level over here, retested this level over here. You can see that price broke this level, then it went and retested again, then it went down and went up a bit, rejected, went down and retested this zone, broke this zone again, then it is currently just barely retesting it. So I'm hoping for a little bit of a bullish move. And as well, the weekly for me, this is a selling point. I see this thing as a bullish move, but I don't think it would be it would go up today, maybe next week or that week after. So I see this is a pullback towards let me just use the horizontal line towards this. It's 1 2 towards this. So we'll give it a time, we'll give it some time and see what it does, but I see a bullish move overall, hence I bought this my position are buys. So that's it, and I'm gonna be doing the second part of this video just to give you a feedback on this trade. But everything is simple, price action, nothing to it. We went hard on GJ, we made some couple of moves, but I did take Euro USD, which was supposed to be bullish, but yeah, I took an error. I bought it over right over here, but it went bearish, so my stop loss was somewhere around here. So I lost about 60 to 50 pips, or I lost around here. I lost around 30 pip loss. So I could see that it's going down. So that's one of the trades. So USD Swiss is the third trade for the week. It's already Thursday, so not a lot of activity with us. It's only GJ, Euro, USD, and I missed a couple of trades as well. I missed USD ZAR. It's one of the trades that I wanted to take, but I was very hesitant on. So it was going to be a bullish move, and I thought we were gonna make some nice pips, but I was very hesitant. I didn't take that trade. Anyway, it's all good with me. If I'm not comfortable with the trade, we don't take that trade. So, and the other trade, it was, I think that was all the trades. Even this, I was selling this pair, but I didn't take the trade. I was also hesitant because it didn't do what I wanted, or I was hoping it to do. So I didn't take this trade. But anyway, guys, the one that we are in right now is USD Swiss. That's where we're hoping to at least make some money, take some pips. That's it for now. I don't want to make this video long. I'll see you later, guys. Okay guys, welcome back. So this is our second trade of the week, is USD Swiss, and so far we are up, I think close to 40 pips. Yeah, close to just above 30 pips. So I wanted to show you the results for this trade, and it's the second part of the video, and I wanted to show you just what we did. Same thing we did with GJ. So this is it. So let's start at the M15. I always preach price action, market structure. as the first and foremost important part. Before analyzing anything, we look at the structure, the market from the high all the way to the low, and we do these predictions. So from the high, you can see the market did its first level. We marked our level right over here from 1 all the way to 2, third level right over here, and the fourth level, which was this is where the market actually rejected. And you could see that this is where we had a couple of, what can I say, candle rejections. So and when this happened, you could see that price ultimately we tested this zone, this liquidity zone right over here on the M15, and structure confirmed everything for us. So our pending orders were placed right over here, and all we did is follow the market structure, follow price action, and so far we are about 30 pips, 40 pips into the profit. And that's the M15, and the whole analysis is based off structure, price action, and a bit of RSI. And you could see that also the price was oversold at this point. So our pending orders were placed right over here, and this is where we follow price action to get to this point. So I wanted to show you this. Let's check out the M15, and I do all my analysis based off all the time frames. I'm not selective on one time frame or anything. I check all the time frames, but I prefer the H1 or the lower time frames. But I know sometimes on the H4 in daily, yeah, they can be a little bit choppy in terms of slow with the moves. So I'm always looking at the M15 and H1 as my primary time frames that I choose to follow price action with, because I believe everything is connected. They are all connected. You just have to learn to understand how you use this knowledge towards increasing your trading probability and making sure you stay in profit. And this trade was basically our second trade, or no, this was our third trade of the week, because we did take Euro USD, which I talked about, and we took a bit of L there, but we lost around 30 pips, or yeah, I think about 30 pips. So but GJ, GJ, we went crazy on GJ. We made around 200 pips actually. GBP yen. So anyway, I'm not gonna keep this video long because I have to connect it with the first video, so I don't wanna spend too much time on it. I wanted to show you this, all the moves, and